What's up guys, and here we go. Welcome to another huge Google leak day. We've got our first official final look at the Android 12 that confirms a lot of things, but most importantly, it confirms the Pixel 6. The design we just saw a few days ago, but before we talk about that, boys and girls, it's happening. A new camera sensor for the Pixel 6. Some people were saying, why is this a big deal? So let me get this straight. Imagine if Apple kept using the camera sensor of the iPhone X for 4 generations. Imagine if Samsung kept using the camera sensor of the Galaxy S8 for 4 generations. It's crazy, right? And yet somehow Google actually did that. Their image processing has been their strongest weapon. Up until Pixel 3, they kept their top position as the best smartphone camera for photos. The night sight absolutely shocked everyone when it first came out, but after that, Google should have updated the sensor, hence they fell off from the flagship landscape. But this might just be the greatest smartphone comeback. Max Weinbach mentioned on Twitter that the new camera sensor is indeed happening. He's actually further confirming the information with more sources before he drops everything. Obviously, other than the camera, it's going to be the most insane Google phone ever. We'll see all the good stuff like a 120Hz refresh rate, a super bright, high quality display. For the first time ever, a Google Silicon in the game. Thank God they've said goodbye to Qualcomm. Google Silicon should have happened long ago, but better late than never. This is the right time. Some other leaks have pointed towards a really strong zoom camera setup, more than 2x camera zoom. We'll get all this info very soon, so stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now getting back to the present day, we have the first look at the official Android 12. This is absolutely crazy. John Prosser is a straight up beast. Google is bringing a huge UI change, and I gotta say it looks really beautiful. There will be a brand new wallpaper based theme engine along with the best security that Android has ever had. This is such a huge update. I can't wait to see this. Now within these trailers, we actually saw the design of the Google Pixel 6. You can see the punch hole towards the middle, and it has the same time as the time that we saw on the Pixel 6 renders. John Prosser said that this is the same time he saw on the leaked Google Pixel 6 images, so pretty much this is a confirmation that the Pixel 6 is indeed getting the middle punch hole design. Now Pixel 6 family is still far away when it comes to the release. As usual, later in the year, it is expected for the month of October 2021. It's even later than the iPhone 13 family. By the time it comes out, the two big rivals from Samsung and Apple will already be out, the iPhone 13 Pro Max and the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Since we already know there won't be a Note 21 Ultra, so S21 Ultra is that flagship smartphone. Now speaking of Galaxy Note 21 Ultra, one of the weirdest leaks have just come out via Twitter. This image was posted on Twitter, and apparently this is some sort of a artwork for a brand new Samsung offline store in South Korea. Looking at the artwork, we have model numbers for many different Samsung devices, but if you look closely, you can see Note 21 5G and Galaxy Note 21 Ultra 5G. Now hold up, as exciting as it may be, it doesn't mean that the Note 21 or Note 21 Ultra is coming. It might be a sign that Samsung had plans for the Galaxy Note 21 lineup, but they later scrapped that idea. Just last month, they directly confirmed that the Note series is not happening this year. It's probably going to come back next year. Now, I don't think it's a typo because they clearly put the Note 21 and then Galaxy Note 21 Ultra 5G text there. I don't see that possibility, but yeah, in my opinion, it's just something Samsung planned and they didn't do later on. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. That's all for today. Android 12 is coming, and it's going to be coming in its pure form on the Pixel 6 lineup, as well as a brand new camera sensor that is coming. I am super excited. Can't wait to see what camera sensor Google eventually chooses, whether it's Samsung or Sony. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.